Here's a quick guide on how to open a Scotiabank account. They offer a range of bank accounts and packages with special offers for newcomers, students, youth, and seniors. If you meet the following criteria, you can open an account as a new customer online. If you want to open an account for your child or add another person's name on the account, you have to go to a branch where a representative will be able to help you. Before you begin the online process, make sure you have the following information. If they are able to verify your identity with a credit bureau, you will be able to transfer money in your account as soon as the account is opened. If Scotia cannot verify your identity this way, you may have to visit the branch for a quick 5-minute in-person visit. Once you've decided which banking package is best for your lifestyle, click on your chosen option and then follow the next steps. There are essentially 3 basic steps which Scotia claims you can all finish within 5 minutes. Scotiabank also offers the Start Right program for newcomers to Canada, so you can bank without monthly account fees and get a credit card with no credit history. With the Scotiabank Start Right program, you can apply for an international account and transfer up to 50,000 Canadian dollars before moving to Canada. An international account can help you demonstrate proof of funds and feel more prepared for your move. Once you arrive in Canada, you will have the option of transferring all or part of the funds from your international account into your new checking account. That's it. We hope it helps you. This is brought to you by Remitby, the best way to send money abroad from Canada.